up, guys? Dark Knight 416 back with another episode. And as y'all can see, I just woke up probably. Yeah, I do sleep in a little late. So I hope you're having a great Saturday, and I hope you had a great lunch. So this is gonna be a quick little video for a little shout out. Make sure to check out my merch soon as possible. When it goes out, check it out, guys. My merch is going to be on a limited time, so get it before it sells out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. We're going for 100 subscribers this year, guys. We're only at 17. We got a couple more to go. We have let's see, 83 more subscribers to go. So come on, guys. You know you want to subscribe. So if you see this video, please like and subscribe. And we're gonna go for 20 likes on this video, guys. 20 likes. If you can do that, we can do more. So remember, guys, check out my channel on December 25th, guys, or around there. Cause remember, I'm getting a vlog camera, and we're gonna do some pranks, more music. We're gonna even doing some vlogs, things in stores. Come on, guys, you know you want to see those videos, so come on. Let's hit 100 subscribers, and I will do a bonus special. If y'all can hit 100 subscribers by this year, I will give y'all a bonus. I'll do 3 videos a day for 1 day or more. I'll do like 4 videos a week or something. So if we can hit 100 subscribers before 2019, I will give y'all a bonus. I'll probably get merch next for a bonus or something for this year. So remember, guys, like and subscribe. For now, let's hop into the video. So yeah, we are playing on Roblox again because Minecraft is down. Cause I don't know what's wrong with Minecraft right now. Like my mouse is like dead. So my mom's not here. Like I've been alone. Like my dad, they left me alone here. For a lot of time, so I'm like pretty fine. So we're gonna play some more. We're gonna play this thing called Vehicle Simulator. Yeah. So I like to keep my identity closed. So yeah, if you want to friend me, it's Pootsie 2009 13. 2009. So if you want to friend request me, come on, you know you want to. So further than that, let's hop into this game. We're gonna play Citizen. Okay. So I can't see myself, which is weird. Where am I? I'm a ghost! I'm a ghost! I'm a ghost, guys. I'm a ghost. Yeah, I can't really see myself. That's gonna be great. Let's go T E Vehicles. Guys, my thing is glitching out. So guys, this is the Corvette, guys. My amazing Corvette that I bought. See, look at this baby. I have look at this Corvette, guys. So watch this. And green smoke comes out too. Look, I can make it go super duper fast by just pressing shift. Watch. See, look. That is cool. And you can get Lamborghinis in here, motorcycles, ATVs. So guys, make sure to check out Roblox. They have amazing games on here. Some you have to pay for Roblox. which is fine. Like Bloxburg, you have to pay for like 25 Robux. So make sure, guys, play Bloxburg. I mean, yeah, Bloxburg. Let's go. Guys, it crashed. Y'all might say I'm a turbo driver, which is true. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so guys, I had to like do something real quick. Cause like I couldn't really see real well, so I have my glasses. I have my mom's glasses. I use them a little bit. And myself. Make sure to hit that bell so you can get my notifications, and click the box so you can get all my notifications when I upload a new video. Guys, I'm going to do all those amazing stunts. I was trying to make the car jump and then jump out of the car. Hit number 2. Yeah, you seem better now. So guys, I am going to get new furniture. So stay tuned for that. I'll be doing a little showcase when I get my vlog camera. Hey guys, so y'all might say, Elizabeth, do you get boats in this game? Oh, of course you do, guys. You get boats in here. And I'm trying to figure out where the shop is. Oh, did they remove it? I seriously, they just remove it. So guys, if you want a yacht, you're gonna pay $12 million. Wait. I'm sure I haven't been talking. I was just so blanked out because I was like watching something real quick. So here's the boat shop. So guys, so if you want a yacht, you have to pay $10 million. It's like a lot of money for a yacht in this game. Here's Jet Sea 5,000, Speedboat 30, and a yacht. Oh, it's 18 million. So guys, with that being said, I hope y'all liked this video. So remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, subscribe and like the bell. And hit that box so you can get my notifications. And make sure to check out my channel around December 25th. And if you haven't seen my channel, you won't see anything like this stuff. So, remember the bonus. If we hit 100 subscribers this year, guys, I will give y'all a bonus. And I may get a discount on my merch. So, I hope y'all like this video. Goodbye!